To access the Interactive Brokers API, you first need to have an active Interactive Brokers account. If you do not have one yet, you must sign up on the Interactive Brokers website. Once your account is set up and verified, download the Trader Workstation software or use their web-based platform. Ensure that you have the API feature enabled in your account settings. After installing the Trader Workstation, open the application and navigate to the settings. Find the configuration section for API settings, where you will need to enable ActiveX and socket clients. You may also want to adjust the socket port if necessary, though the default is usually fine. Remember to allow connections from localhost and configure any additional security settings as needed for your preferences. Once the API is enabled, you can begin setting up your development environment. Download the Interactive Brokers API software from their website. This software includes important libraries and documentation that you will need to interact with their services programmatically. Depending on your preferred coding language, you might work with Java, Python, or C++, among others. Finally, you can start writing your code to connect to the Interactive Brokers API. Use the provided libraries and follow the documentation to establish a connection to the API. From there, you can access market data, manage trades, or retrieve account information. Be sure to test your implementation in a paper trading environment before moving on to live trading to ensure everything works as expected.